Welcome, Word Study friends, to this week in Word Study. We are going to begin our test for today. We have Word Study Test K, number 1. Please remember to turn off your autocorrect, your auto capitalization, your spell check, and your predictive. If at any time you need to pause the video because I'm going too fast, please go ahead and do that. We're going to start with number 1. Number 1 is backpack. Please make sure that you bring your backpack to school every day. Number 2 is cookbook. We had to read the cookbook in order to get the recipe. Number 3 is halfway. We were halfway into our road trip and I fell asleep. Halfway. Number 4 is earring. I lost my earring, but my friend helped me find it. Earring. Number 6 is backbone. Did you know that all vertebrates have a backbone? Backbone. Number 7 is stairway. Please make sure you walk up the right-hand side of the stairway. Stairway. Number 8 is earache. She didn't go to school because she had an earache. Earache. Number 9 is hairbrush. We needed to find her hairbrush so she could brush her hair. Hairbrush. And last but not least, number 10, doorway. Please do not block the doorway so we can enter and leave properly. Doorway. Don't forget that number 11 needs to be your discovery for today or what you learned this week. If you need to replay the video, go ahead and do so. I will hear from you tomorrow with your new word study. Letter K, number 2. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great rest of the week. Bye, friends.